Hi everyone, and welcome to the DY family. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video. If you didn't know already, this year 2025 is the 20th anniversary of Elf on the Shelf, and because it is the 20th anniversary, Elf on the Shelf put out a snowman, Razzle the Snowman. He is the North Pole's snowman. So 2025 is the first year for Razzle the Snowman. And the thing about Razzle is they're going to update him, his looks, and his book every 5 years. So Razzle is a collector's item, so you're going to want to be sure to pick up your Razzle, your 2025 Razzle the Snowman, and then be watching every 5 years for the updated one. If you've been following our channel for a while, you know that I like to do these little unboxing on Elf on the Shelf videos. Our family has been doing Elf on the Shelf for a while. My kids are getting older now, but we still get all the new Elf on the Shelf products every year. We have all of the pets. Last year I did an unboxing video on Little Grunt Yeti. I will have that video linked down below if you missed that video and would like to watch it. We unboxed him last year, but today we're going to unbox the Elf on the Shelf Razzle the Snowman. I would like to mention that this is not a sponsored video. I just want to unbox Razzle and show him off just for fun. So here is what Razzle looks like when he's in his box. Now I did order my Razzle off the Elf on the Shelf website, but I have seen him at Walmart and on Amazon. He may be at other stores as well. Let's celebrate with Razzle the Snowman, and it includes a storybook. It's the 20th limited edition Elf on the Shelf Santaverse, and then here is a quick look at the back. So let's go ahead and open Razzle. We're going to start by taking Razzle out of the package here. And he is just tied in here a little bit. You can pull him out. So here is a good look at Razzle. He's nice and soft. He's got a little bow tie here and a green vest. And then his one foot is just plain blue. And then this other foot has a snowflake on it. And then here is the back. It says Santaverse. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and get the book out. And here is what the book looks like. I went ahead and took the plastic off. As you can see, it does shimmer a little bit. The little confetti and his nose, his little gumdrop nose. This is the front again and the back. And then I cannot show you much of this story because of copyright issues. But here is one page, and then the end, until we celebrate again. It looks like a very cute little story, and this is a paperback book if you're wondering. It's not hardcovered. But it's just a cute little story that will explain all about Razzle and help you understand Razzle and what he does for the North Pole. Here is another look at Razzle the Celebration Snowman plush, plus the book that comes along with Razzle. If you or your family are into Elf on the Shelf, I definitely recommend picking up Razzle and adding him to your collection. Here is another look at him. He's not very big and he's nice and soft. And then the paperback book that is included with Razzle. And I did show you the first page and the last page. I cannot show you anymore because of copyright, or else I would. I hope that you enjoyed today's unboxing video of the new Elf on the Shelf Razzle the Celebration Snowman plush plus book. I was so excited when Razzle first came out and couldn't wait to do this video. I want to thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a like. Also, if you're new, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a like. Also, leave us a comment down below if you and your family do Elf on the Shelf as well. When I first heard about Razzle coming out, I was really excited about it and couldn't wait to do this video. And like I mentioned earlier, Little Grunt Yeti came out last year for Elf on the Shelf, and I do have a video on him as well, and that will be down below in the description. I will post the link to that video, so be sure to check that out as well. So if you or your family do Elf on the Shelf, I would definitely suggest that you pick up Razzle the Celebration Snowman. And remember, he is the special 20th anniversary. He's limited edition, and every 5 years there will be a updated Razzle plus book coming out. So this will be the first one, and it is a collector's item. Elf on the Shelf just turned 20 years this year. I want to thank you all so much for watching today's video, and I really hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.